Good morning, students. The topic of today's lecture is just in time. Just in time is a concept to produce the accurate quality product on time. Just in time is defined as a philosophy of manufacturing based on planned elimination of all wastes, of continuous improvement of productivity. It has also been described as an approach with the objective of producing the right part in the right place at the right time. In other words, just in time. Some key elements of just in time: reduce setup time, reduce lot sizes, manufacturing and purchase. Number 3, reduce lead times, production and delivery. Number 4, preventive maintenance. Number 5, flexible workforce. Number 6, implement a zero defect quality program. And number 7 is small lot, single unit conveyance. The product that is manufactured is of right quality and is of right value, right quality, right quantity, and at the right time is the concept of just in time. It is just a concept which generate the quality product. Now, the second topic is patent. A patent is a grant made by the government of an inventor that excludes others from manufacturing, using, or selling the invention for a specific period of time and in a specific geographical area. Infringement of the patent. The right conferred by the patent is the exclusive right to make, use, exercise, sell, or distribute the invention in India. Infringement consists in the violation of any of these rights. Remedies for infringement of patent. An action for infringement must be justified by a way of a suit in any district court having jurisdiction to entertain the suit. Interlocutory injunction. Number 2, damages. Number 3, account of profits. These 3 are the infringements which can be remedied. So, in today's lecture, we study about the two concepts. The first one is just in time and second one is patent. So focus on these two topics because the short notes are always carried the topics like JIT and patent, trademark, copyright, etc. Thank you. Any question can be carried out by Rajesh Gautam @gpsr.ac.in. Thank you.